Today on Grow with Dr. Joe, we are going to make the best ever vegan mashed potatoes. These mashed potatoes are fluffy, creamy, and loaded with flavor. If you've been frustrated because your vegan mashed potatoes aren't as creamy and fluffy as you would like, or as loaded with flavor, make sure you watch until the end, where I give you my secret ingredient. Let's get cooking. You're going to start by peeling 2 pounds of a combination of russet potatoes and Yukon Gold potatoes. Cut those potatoes into about 2-inch pieces. Put them in a large kettle. The kettle should be large enough that you can completely cover the potatoes with water. Add about a teaspoon of salt to the water and cook your potatoes on medium until they are fork tender. This takes about 45, maybe 50 minutes. Once your potatoes are cooked, drain them and mash them with a potato masher. While your potatoes are cooking, go ahead and roast your garlic. I roast a full head of garlic for this recipe of vegan mashed potatoes. Here is my SIS Simple and Smart tip for making super fluffy mashed potatoes. Use a potato ricer instead of a potato masher. Take your roasted head of garlic, pop out all of the cloves, and mash the cloves until they're creamy and smooth. Add the roasted garlic to your kettle of mashed potatoes. Then add in the rest of your add-ins. You're going to add 1/2 of a cup of vegan butter and 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk. If your potatoes have cooled off in the mashing process, I go ahead and heat the butter and the coconut milk together in a small saucepan. That way everything is hot and it makes for extra creamy mashed potatoes. Once the coconut milk, butter, and garlic is added in, your potatoes are done and ready to serve. Put them in a serving bowl. Put a few pats of butter on top of them. The butter will just melt. The heat of the potatoes will melt the butter, and sprinkle a little bit of thyme or parsley as a garnish. So what is that secret ingredient for delicious, creamy, fluffy mashed potatoes? The secret ingredient is a whole head of roasted garlic. Try it. It sounds like a lot, but when you mix it into the potatoes, you will be amazed at how amazing that garlic makes them taste. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your super creamy vegan mashed potatoes. For this recipe and lots more vegan as well as non-vegan recipes, go to growwithdrjoe.com.